Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing review. Today I'm checking out the Bob and Brad, the real massager. This is a cordless heating pad. We got our charging cable. It has 3 stages, well, 3 different things, like a vibration, like heat source, and then infrared light. So check that out. It's very small. We got our Velcro straps here, and it's that like kind of Velcro that holds really good, but also easy to remove when you take it off from the top. So it's like a kind of, so if you do have an injury or something, this is not really difficult to tear off. So it's not going to injure you. You know, sometimes some Velcro before used to be really strong, but also very difficult to take off. And so when you're trying to pull it, it's actually pulling on this hard. So if you do have an injury or something, it can hurt you. So it's nice that this is just super easy to take off. I mean, look at this. So it's very strong, but also when you're pulling it off, it's very, anyway, so we have the LEDs for the infrared heat and light there. And then we have just this little system here. So this is basically the battery pack, and you can put this, say, on your arm, your elbow, your hand, wherever you need that. Might be able to put it on your leg for just like topical if you're like, I mean, plenty of, well, maybe. It's pretty long here, but I think I get that around my leg pretty easy. So to control this, the top one is going to be our heat. So we can push this once, and it comes at 40 degrees Celsius. I press it again, 45, 50, and then it's off. Okay, to turn on the lights now, to hold this button down, that's going to turn it on, and then we can either turn it off with that, then we can do that. So turn it off and turn that off. And then to do the vibration, it has next to the power button here, you have a little vibration button there. So it's got 3 different settings for that. Also have our battery life indicator and our USB-C right there. Okay, that's pretty sweet. Pretty easy to get set up. It's pretty lightweight too. I was a little surprised. I can already feel the heat coming out of there right away, so that is nice. I'm not complaining that it's healed, that's for sure. Okay, let's test this out here. I can just turn this on, get the vibration on there. Pretty powerful vibration too. Tighten that up a little bit. And then we got turn the heater on, and then I'll turn on the infrared lighting. Oh, that's actually really relaxing. So with the massage and the heat and everything like that, I'm liking it. The red light therapy is supposed to be very beneficial for healing. There's different scientific studies that have been out, quite a few, so it's pretty well researched. And then the heat, well, they say rest, ice, compression, elevates. We got the compression, we got the infrared heating and stuff like that. So it's comfortable. You can tighten it down to where it's not going to fall off. And also, like I demonstrated before, this Velcro is very strong. So when you're putting it there, if you just want to turn everything off, you just hold down the power button, it goes off. It's nice and warm there. So this is, you can put it on your hand as well. So maybe if you're having discomfort in your hand or something. See, this is nice, and it's a good size, but very easy to work with, even if you're just doing it by yourself. If you put it on someone else, of course, it's going to be easy as well. So you can see that it's got, the Velcro it's nice and pliable. It's got some good stretch to it too. So we can turn that on and just adjust it as we want. I'll try the pulse. It's got a pulsing massage, and then I want to try the full heat and with the LED lights as well, so we can see that on there. And that's actually like really, it's like really relaxing. So this is a great idea. I like that you don't have to be confined to a cord. That's just like if you got a power cord or something, you're gonna either have to sit on a couch or on the bed and run the cord to an outlet or something like that. So this battery operated, it's gonna last a couple hours. Obviously, depending on the temperature that you're running and the heat setting, stuff like that. But yeah, I could definitely see myself using this, and next time I get an injury, hopefully it won't be too soon, but you know, we're all getting older, so it's kind of hard to avoid, but just a great device here, guys. Let me try to see if I can put this on my leg. So if you have like a knee issue or something like that. Oh yeah, that's plenty. That's plenty long. I think it wasn't gonna fit, but we got plenty of room to go around there. And then, well, that's actually pretty nice. So you can put this anywhere. Move this down onto my calf if I wanted to. And just get that heat directly on there. There we go. You can cinch this down. So it's got some good elasticity in the straps here too. So that's nice. Oh yeah, it's tight enough where I can feel the heat. I can feel the vibration, but it's not like it's cutting off my circulation. Get a finger under there or whatever. So it's just comfortable. So I can stand up. It's not going to fall off of there, and it's just a nice little, yeah, a nice little heating pad that you can like put wherever. So, all right, friends. Well, final thoughts on this little portable battery-operated heated pad with the massage infrared lights. We've been using this for a couple days now. My wife's been having some leg issues. My knee was hurting the other day. I put it on there, and yeah, it was just feels like a nice massage. You got the heat there too, just nice and relaxing. And what I like about this, it lasts, I think it shuts off after every 15 minutes. You can just turn it back on. It'll run for probably, I think it's around 2 hours, depending if you have everything on like full or not. But what I like about it, I have a 140 watt charger. I plugged it in and it charged the whole thing up in, I want to say it was about 15 minutes. So I was super impressed with that. It charged up super quickly. This is very lightweight. This pad has a slight curve to it too. So if you want to adjust a little bit, you can rotate this on here. You can take this off, throw this in the washer or whatever and keep it clean like that. So it's very easy. The material is very soft. It's supple. And this whole back portion is able to, this Velcro or this, it's sort of like Velcro, but not exactly. It's a little bit better, I think. So anywhere you put it, it's good. It's going to be able to attach on there. So I can literally put this on my shoulder. Oops, my microphone. See if I can reach back there. So yeah, I'm not the biggest guy, but you can put it on your shoulder. You can adjust this almost anywhere. You put it around your waist. If maybe your back is hurting or something like that. Okay, and I can fix that on there. Of course, I have it on backwards, but you get the picture. So anywhere you want, pretty much, you can have that localized heat with the infrared, with the vibrating, the different modes on that. So I was really impressed. It's very comfortable. It's lightweight. Like I said, you can take it anywhere with you. This is just a great idea, a great gift idea for people that have maybe some soreness or some pain or something like that. And this should really help alleviate it. It's very lightweight. I mean, this thing doesn't take up any space at all, really. Look at this. You can just basically just curl it up, and it's pliable, it's flexible, seems to be well built. And yeah, just a great little thing. We use this all the time. I'm super impressed with it. This is like Bob and Brad. I've had a few other items from them and all have been pretty top notch. So I'm really happy with them. Just a great brand. I mean, and that's how stuff is. If you make a good product, you get a good reputation, seems like. So thanks for watching this review, my friends. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.